how to install Pybrick. So number one, we will go to click on install Pybrick firmware. Make sure to select the correct hub. We are using the Spike Prime hub. Click next, agree to the license, agree to the terms and condition. Next, give your Pybricks a name. So if you don't have a name, you can leave it empty. You rename it as Pybrick hub. Next, so follow the instruction where number one, disconnect the USB cable. So I've done so. Number two, make sure the hub is turned off. My hub is off. Alright, next, press and hold on the Bluetooth button on the hub. So just press and hold onto the Bluetooth button and then connect the USB and then wait until the Bluetooth button start blinking. So we will hold on to this, plug in the USB cable. As you can see, the Bluetooth button is not blinking yet. I will wait until it is blinking, then I'll release my hand. So it's blinking now. Alright, then we can click on install. So it's normal to see there's nothing coming out. So I'm gonna teach how we can get the computer to recognize the hub. So go to your start button at the bottom, right click, and then look for device manager. So in device manager, on this we right click on it and then click on update driver. Go to browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from the list. Okay, here we want to scroll down until the end where you see universal serial bus devices. Click on that. Click next. At the left side we look for Win USB device, and then on the right we also click on Win USB device and then next. And then click yes, let it install, then closed. Alright, so let's do that again. Make sure this time, so my hub is still connected and the Bluetooth light is blinking. Click on next. So it shows up now. So click on that and then connect. So it roughly takes around 15 seconds to install. Once it is done, you will have the Pybrick firmware on your Spike hub.